gala time with my hubby. So, nag-ayos na rin tayo. Saan kaya kami pupunta today? So, right now, we're here in Miraflores.
Ngayon is autumn nga dito kaya sarap gumala kasi hindi masyang mainit, humid lang yung panahon.
Miraflores. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Miraflores.
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 Flores.
Flores.
Flores. Okay, this is Miraflores. Okay, tingnan natin yung view ng Miraflores at itutour ko kayo. Let's go. This is the park here. The park. What is that?
Many people, yes, painting, and they,
Huh?
and they show the pictures, and if you like, you can buy.
You can buy.
That is one cut. White cut. Just in case you know.
They sell paintings.
And there are people that they love the cut, so they bring food, and they give to the cut.
Give to the cat.
And those are people.
What are they?
People. Yes, humans.
Of course, people
From the world.
from the
From the world. From the planet.
of course, even from the planet. Yes.
I give it to us.
Of course, they are from the planet. Where they are from?
Or Jupiter. Maybe.
Jupiter.
Who knows?
So people just sit here.
They are open. They are just open. They are just open. All the time. And
Yeah.
maybe later we can, go back and we can see all this open.
Open.
Yeah, because they, they have different stands from different countries.
Oh, really?
The last time I came here, yes, I go from the India, from Thailand, from
Ah, they have representatives from different country.
yes,
Oh. Nice. There's a coffee, Starbucks, Alucha.
La Lucha.
La Lucha. Okay, gracias.
Now is sentence.
Sentence.
Yeah, that's restaurant.
Oh, Chinese.
La moneda para desayuno urbano, apóyame. That is a Kennedy Park.
Kennedy Park.
Yeah.
Cut,
Yes.
Cut Park.
Yes.
Oh. There, the cat is eating. Yes.
They have food too.
I like the birds here.
Yeah.
You are like in the.
They are cats. And
You are
that
like-
is the food from the cat. So
You are like in the jungle. You hear birds. Yeah, you hear birds.
yeah, because the cat need to eat. Cat need to eat. So it's a field. That is their food.
May tourist here. Tourist come here. The cat. Look at the cats.
You want? What? No mi amor.
The cat is sleeping.
That, I guess, is a house for cats.
That one. Not cat house. Yes.
Ay, ito.
Recuerden a repetir acá la capilla acá en la medalla mirador que día la semana que día 6 hay una misa hecha. No le vendemos, estamos repartiendo toda la madre, los padres, la pasita con
Nosotros, podemos ir. Gracias. They are not animals. They are. That is not a cat. It's a dog.
Of course.
But I mean, you can see it's very big, that the size.
Yeah. That also, that also. The one also. So that's it.
Now, do you want to stay here or do you want to see
The beach?
the beach?
There's a beach here?
No, I mean, I said see the beach, no enter the beach.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
different. Probably.
We're going outside. Have bikes.
For you.
For you. Hey. For you.
For you.
Run. Uy.
Department. Okay, boss.
Okay, let's go. Here is the coast. The coast. And of
The next is
what? What?
Pasajero Club Larcomar.
It's a coast. A coast.
We are in Larcomar.
Larcomar.
This is Larcomar.
This is Larcomar. Oh.
Are you sure you can go? Watch the
Here in
Larcomar.
Larcomar. people go to seashore.
What?
Seashore. For the sea. You can go to the sea, right?
Yes, but you can need to go to the beach. Then over the beach. And you can go.
You can swim there.
It is a mall.
Ah, this is a mall.
But this mall, the name Larcomar, you can find many luxury stores.
You have Fridays. I like the food in Fridays. You don't like? Why?
You can eat later if you want. Yeah.
You don't like the food?
Ah.
I like their food. The juice,
Oh.
the chips.
Everything is better, I don't know, KFC or in Chile. Do you know Chili's?
Chilies, no.
DGA, Friday. Wow.
You don't like Fridays?
Wow.
Why?
Wow.
It's an American food. You know, Fridays. Ah, you don't,
You don't know the good place.
you don't like it. They're talking in English. Yeah. At yun na nga dahil nauhaw sa kakalakad, kaya napadaan tayo sa Starbucks. Pero parang mas mukhang masarap yung sa kanya na mango, kaya matikman niya.
Everything is open, and people come here because they have a good view, and because there are many luxury so many that is, I don't know. Are you record that?
Why you not there?
Go.
You need here. You need to be there. You need like that.
Here.
I'm there. Yeah. Ayaw? Wait lang. I remember that I called you when I got you.
Go outside alone. Go outside alone.
Yeah, come back.
No way.
Saan ko outside alone? Sa review. Okay.
Ito na nga ang aming in-order. At makabuslot mong pud ni bulsa. Pero, ayun lang naman din. Pagkatapos nga kumain, umupo muna kami dito. Kasi ang sarap ng pahangin dito. Tsaka hindi masyado mainit. Humid lang yung weather dito. At nakakaantok. Kaya siya, ginawa. Yun, umidlip. Muna siya sandali. Nakakaantok kasi dito. Yung weather nila is humid lang. Hindi siya masyadong mainit. Ang sarap mag-sunbathing. At saka ang lamig kahit nasa loob ka ng bahay. You're under the sea. Uy, ang sarap na nga ng tulog niya dito. Wow.